Hey guys, I am back with another new map. This one is smashing. I think you guys are going to love it. This is Resident Evil 7.
Do you feel the vibes?
Sorry it took me so long to get back with you guys, but you're in for a treat because I got Resident Evil 7 Biohazard Chapter 1. Yes, there are going to be more chapters. We're going to go up to 5 on this, guys. So buckle your seatbelt and get ready. Now let's get into it. Alright, just like in the game, you can't go through those doors. So we got to make a left over here. A few things I changed up here and there. You Resident Evil 7 game players out there will notice the difference on some things. And let's... wow, this is creepy. Let's walk through this forest here. I did a pretty good job on the forest. There's a lot of foraging on there, a lot of phasing. And I'll tell you, the more you phase objects together, you're in for a few problems. And it kind of lags things out a little bit. You might notice a couple of lags, but nothing too severe. Alright, let's get in here. Oh, kind of just jumps you up there. The picture frame, dresser, and we're at the kitchen. I got the pot. If you guys remember that. It actually looks more like the birthday cake, but that was the best I could have done for making the pot. So I tried my best on that part. I love the filter that I put on this map. It really gives you that Resident Evil 7 look, you know? The filter's amazing. Oh. We need to get that grenade. This will probably take you guys a few tries. Maybe more, I don't know. But I like that part. Alright, now when you throw this grenade, if you guys watched some of my other videos, you will know that you gotta stay back. Because that thing will ricochet, and it'll come straight to your face. There. You don't have to be that far like I was just now, but... okay. And there's the stairs. Now we gotta work our way to the attic. Oh, it's creepy over here. Especially because of the filter, you know. Here's the attic. We got a fusion coil blocking us. We're actually gonna need a pistol. I just wanted to see if I can get in there. See if there was any gaps or not, but looks like it's pretty closed off. I mean, you could almost make it through, but yeah. Grenade launcher. Each of the chapters are going to have a grenade launcher hidden in the map, or if it's not hidden, like that one wasn't really hidden, but it is very hard to get to. There is only one way you can get to that, and I'm not going to spoil it for anybody, but yeah. See, down here you can't reach it, but you climb up over here, you're good to go. Okay. Now we got the grenade. And you can try using the grenade for the fusion coil, but it will not blow up, and things do not respawn. So I will just, if I was you, I will just stick to what you're supposed to do. Because if you waste that grenade, it doesn't respawn. Nothing respawns, you only got one life. Right behind this TV, there's a pistol. Some people miss that. But that's fine. I understand why they'll miss it, because, you know, it's so hidden and it blends in with the wall. It like camouflages itself. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Alright, here we go. Oh no, we can't shoot it from this close. I mean, you could, but you will die. And the power does not recharge. Neither does the health. Alright. Now this puzzle, I'm not going to tell you guys which one you would have to go into to continue on this map. I will not go into it, but you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, the puzzle is pretty challenging, but actually, if you guys was paying close attention while I was going through the map, you would have noticed the hints. I did leave the hints throughout the mansion, so if you guys want, restart it, go back, and you could see and try to figure it out for yourselves. And if you do figure it out which one to go in, leave me a comment down below. Tell me which one you think it is. I appreciate you watching my video, guys. Chapter 2 will be done shortly. Be patient, and have a good one. And thanks for watching. This is Auto6 GeForce here. Peace out.